Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a super nourishing DIY face cream that's perfect for achieving radiant, glowing skin using just a few simple ingredients. This cream will help brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and hydrate your skin deeply. But first, I have a small request. If you love natural remedies and want more beauty tips like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means everything to me, and it keeps me motivated to bring you more exciting content. Let's begin by soaking 2 tablespoons of rice and 5 to 6 almonds in water overnight. Rice is rich in antioxidants and minerals that brighten the skin and improve elasticity, while almonds are loaded with vitamin E, which helps nourish and repair skin from within. Soaking them softens these ingredients, making it easier to extract all the good nutrients for your skin. The next morning, peel off the almond skins. Almonds contain natural oils, and removing the skin ensures you get a smooth texture without irritation. Add the soaked rice and peeled almonds into a grinder and blend them into a smooth paste. Strain the mixture to remove any grit, leaving you with a silky cream base that's perfect for your skin. Here's a tip for a smooth cream. Strain the mixture through a muslin cloth, cheesecloth, or even a fine cotton cloth to remove any coarse particles. This will give you a fine, silky texture, perfect for applying on your face. Now, let's add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a powerhouse for hydration. It soothes the skin, reduces inflammation, and helps heal any irritation or redness. It's great for people with sensitive skin, and it leaves your skin looking fresh and dewy. Next, we'll add glycerin. If you have dry skin, use 1 tablespoon of glycerin. And for oily skin, use just half a tablespoon. Glycerin is amazing for locking in moisture, leaving your skin soft and smooth without feeling oily. It helps create that plump, youthful look we all love. Finally, squeeze the oil from 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules into the mixture. Vitamin E is known for its anti-aging properties. It repairs damaged skin cells, reduces fine lines, and helps protect your skin from environmental damage like pollution and UV rays. Adding this to your cream will give your skin a healthy, radiant glow while preventing early signs of aging. Mix everything together until you get a creamy consistency. The texture should feel rich yet light, perfect for daily use on your skin without clogging pores. Apply a small amount of the cream daily on clean skin, massaging it gently until fully absorbed. This cream will help brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and hydrate your skin deeply. For best results, apply it at night so your skin can repair while you sleep. As for storage, you can store this cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Always make sure to keep it cool and use a clean spoon or spatula to avoid contamination. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing natural beauty remedies. Let me know in the comments how this cream worked for you and feel free to share your own skincare tips. See you in the next video.